Good morning, everybody. Your Excellency, Minister of Industry and Development of Private Sector, Mr. President of CIF, Chair of the ILC Steering Committee, distinguished delegates and everybody. First of all, I guess thanks to the Malagasy people for organizing and hosting this important event. And then thanks to everybody who take time in his own agenda, her own agenda, to travel a long way through to come to Madagascar and share experiences with the rest of us. I guess the chair of the ILC Steering Committee for Africa has already said much about what is ILC. So I just want maybe to stress a couple of points. ILC is made of 152 organizations. Those organizations are very different in size. Some of them are very small, grassroots, they work with communities. Others, they do work with communities, but through different means. They are big intergovernmental organizations, such as IFAD, FAO, World Bank. Others are NGOs, other are academia and research institutes. They work in a number of countries and globally. They have sometimes different points of engagement to land issues, but they all recognize the centrality of land issues to a number of agendas, which are agendas that are needed and are part of the construction of wealthy societies, such as the food security agenda, the environmental agenda, the trade and private investment agenda, the women's empowerment agenda, and so on. So it is from this common sort of point of engagement that they use the ILC as a space for dialogue, and I guess this is pretty much the type of events that CIF has helped organize together with the regional steering committee in Madagascar. It's an event for sharing about experiences and challenges that every and each country and the stakeholders in the country face, and how those are being overcome in the experience of the country. So the space for dialogue sometimes becomes a space for action as well, because it inspires action by a number of organizations and stakeholders. And I would echo again the word by our chair, the Shadrach, about the increasing recognition of the importance of governmental role in leading the way forward.